Hi everyone, my name's Christian and welcome to Christian's full Task 2 IELTS Writing Preparation. Let me quickly introduce myself for those who haven't seen my other Udemy videos. I'm an IELTS teacher and I'm currently teaching in an international college and in the process of becoming an IELTS examiner. In these videos, we're going to be focusing on IELTS Task 2 writing. So Task 2 are the essays. So you are given 1 hour in the writing test. So 1 hour to do a Task 1 and a Task 2. So you pretty much got 40 minutes for the essay because the essay is 250 words, which is quite a lot, and I know it's quite difficult, especially if you're writing it in another language, which is English. So what I have done is I've made a sentence by sentence structure that you can follow. We are going to be focusing on the argument essay, the discussion essay, and the twin question essay. These are the most common essays given in the IELTS writing test. Because on the day you're given a piece of paper and you don't actually know which type of essay that you're going to be writing. So I have given you key information and tips on how you can identify, how you can notice the different essays. Because when you read the question, and if you start writing for example, an argument essay, when it's meant to be a discussion essay, you'll be marked down for that. So I've given you tips on how you can actually notice and how you can tell what is an argument, what is a discussion, and what is a twin question essay. So I've tried to make it really easy for you, as I do with my students in the class. Also, as I said before, you are given a sentence by sentence structure that you can follow. So this one structure you can use for all 3 of the essays. Okay, so that when you, on the test day, when you're given your question, you can use that same structure, okay, which is really easy, yes? Fantastic. All right, so you are marked on 4 different categories. First, 25% is your task response. So this is basically how you're answering that question, and are you answering it correctly, or are you off task, off topic? 25% is for your coherence and cohesion. This basically means your flow, your essay structure flow. Is it all mixed up everywhere, or is there like a beginning, a middle, and an end? So that's why my structure is going to help you so that it is impossible to not have a flow, okay? Next, you're given 25% for your grammatical structures. So basically, in the essay structures that I'm giving you, we have different techniques within the essay to really help to boost your score. I'll give you an example. When we do the body of the essay, we're going to have a bit of a contrast. So what I say to flip it over. When we do a contrast, you're talking about the opposite. So some people might use a linking word like however, which is okay. But in my essays, we're going to be using despite the fact that, which is the same meaning as however. But it's a bit more impressive and it's going to help you with your scores. Also, we're going to be at the very end in the conclusion, we're going to be talking about the future. So you've got a few different grammatical tenses within that essay so that you're kind of helping you with your score. Okay. The essay structure is worth 66% of your total mark. Okay, so task 1 is about 33%, task 2 is 66%. So I'll give you a tip before we start the course. It's a really good idea to, when you're on your test day, to actually start with the essay, which is the task 2, because it's worth the bulk of your mark. When I say bulk, this means the majority, the most of your mark. Okay, because 66% is the bulk, is the most. Okay, and also I'll give you another tip. If you write, for example, 40%, and if you use the little percent mark, this is actually in the word count, this is only counted as one word. If you do 40 and if you write the word percent, this is actually counted as 2 words. So in this course, I'm going to give you a lot of good tips from examiners so that it's going to help you to kind of help you with your marks, and also so that you don't make little mistakes. You're not marked if you write more than 250 words, but you are marked down if you write less than 250 words. So with my tips and my structures, it's going to help you to get the amount of words that you need in order for you to achieve your band score. So guys, I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the inside. So thank you very much. My name's Christian, and I'll see you soon.